Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 1002 of trying a new makeup product every day. A reminder, if you have not already entered my giveaway for the day $1,100 Ulta gift card, make sure you head on over to my Laura Sanchez Moods palette review, and that's where you can enter the giveaway. It's open until Wednesday, November 4th. But so for today, I'm going to be trying out the Ace Beaute Draw It Lip Liner Duo. So this is a lip liner duo set that I got in my October 2020 Boxycharm base box. And I love lip liners, and oh my gosh, these look so cute. So I have not tried out many products from the brand Ace Beaute, but the duo has a retail value of $16, which doesn't seem too bad, $8 per lip liner. So you get two shades. The shade here is called So Gorgeous, which is a red shade. And what's cool is it's a twist up, but it looks like it would be a pencil. And it also has a sharpener in the base here to make it more of a precise tip. So let me start out by swatching So Gorgeous. Ooh, that's a really nice creamy texture. And a really pretty true red shade. It kind of looks like a blue toned red, I think. And then this is the shade called Be Peachy. Oh wow, they're very different. I kind of thought they would be complementary shades, which maybe they are, but I wouldn't think to put these two shades together. This one's like a brownish nude. So now I'm gonna do a lip look that uses both colors. I'm just really not sure how this is going to look. Typically, I probably would use these separately because I love a red lip liner. I feel like most red lips need a lip liner because you really want it to be a perfect shape. But then this is a great, just kind of any nude lip type of lip liner. So I'm gonna start out by doing red in the outer portion of my lips. It really does write so easily. Glides on really easily. So I actually decided I'm going to completely do my lips in red, then I'm going to go over top of it with the nude to do like an ombre look. Since it's such a creamy formula, it's really quick and easy to fill in my entire lips. This really is such a beautiful red. It's one of those reds that I feel like is so flattering on all different skin tones, and it makes your teeth look really white. So I love this tone of red. It's also such a beautiful formula. My lips were very dry, but it didn't cling to any of the dry patches. It looks completely smooth and even. And my lips feel very comfortable as well. It's a very comfortable, creamy formula that looks smooth on my lips somehow. I'm like, wow, it's a really nice lip liner. And it makes a great lipstick as well. I'm kind of curious the transfer. That's not too bad. Well, this is going to be a long-lasting red lip. I love that. And then for the fun of it, I'm going to take a little bit of the So Peachy shade and just put it into the center of my lips to do a bit of an ombre effect. Ooh, you know what? I actually really like the look of these two colors together. It creates a really pretty burgundy shade. Just blending out the edge a little bit. Does work as a bit of an ombre to kind of give a little bit more interest to the red lip look, and it also kind of gives a little bit more of like a fullness to my lips, kind of like an illusion. But that's really cool. If I wanted to do a red lip but then darken it up a little bit, kind of tone down that red, going on top of it with the peachy shade actually is such a beautiful color. I would not have really thought to do that, but seeing it now, I love it. It kind of gives like a purple tone to it. And it layers up beautifully, like a perfectly smooth, creamy, even texture. So wow, I love getting pleasant surprises from using products in a way that maybe I normally wouldn't, but for the video I try them out that way. So I am very impressed with these lip liners. I love the packaging on them. Of course, I think it's cute with the pink, but I love that it's twist up, but there's still a sharpener in it. Because I have just realized that I prefer twist up pencils. So I'm gonna be reaching for these a lot. Such beautiful colors, such beautiful formulas. I highly recommend these. Like, I would definitely pay $8 for each of these because they are really good. Let me know if you have tried these out and what your thoughts are on them. And let me know if you have any other favorite Ace Beaute products, because this, of course, just makes me want to try out even more from them. So thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.